Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video. I finally bit the bullet and ordered some of Jeffree Star's makeup. Before we break into this box, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a video. I cannot contain my excitement any longer, so let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm just going to take some handy dandy tweezers and break open this box. I don't normally like ordering makeup or really anything offline, but I hear really good things about his makeup, so I needed to try it for myself. So here's what the inside of the box looks like. Yes, I did get the Manny collaboration with Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Going to open this stuff right here. You get a cute little Jeffree Star pamphlet inside, and it just has their 2017 holiday lip collection on it, which I also want to try one of his lip scrubs. I hear they taste amazing. So you might be wondering why I chose the Manny collaboration, and here's why. Manny was actually the second YouTuber that I actually subscribed to on YouTube. First it was Jaclyn Hill, of course, and then I found Manny through, I think they did the Bean Boozled challenge, and from then I fell in love with him. So I needed something of his in my collection. And this is what the box looks like. It is so pretty. It has one of those magnetic lid things on it, and it has the Jeffree Star logo and the Manny MUA logo on it. This is really good packaging. And inside you have the holographic background. We have 2 of the velour liquid lipstick and a skin frost. I didn't put highlighter on or any lip product on because I wanted to use this. And I don't know about you guys, but I've got to have the highlight, so we're going to go in with that first. It's called Uranus, and this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And like I said, this is my first products from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, so I'm super excited. This thing is huge. Like, it looks huge in all the videos that I've watched, but it's like huge. You guys, this is beautiful. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, and that picked up a lot of pigment. I'm just going to tap once, and now I'm going to apply it to my face. Oh my gosh. Some people was saying that it wasn't pigmented, but dang. In love. I love it. This is my new favorite highlighter. Like, 2 swipes of that. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the other cheek without editing any pieces out, so you guys can actually see that that's how pigmented this is. So I'm going to go 1, 2, tap once, and apply this to my cheekbones. Like, look at that. That is beautiful. Like that, no editing. Like, I didn't go back and like retouch. Like, that's it. That's great. That's beautiful. That is amazing. That's beautiful. Like, I thought that they would be good, but I did not. Like, are you kidding me? This is good. I'm so glad I got this collection. Now we're gonna move on to the liquid lips, and we've got Daddy and I'm Shook. Some people it pulls more corally, but then some people it pulls more of like a red shade. So I'm very interested to see what this color actually looks like. See, and even on my camera, it looks more red than it is, but it doesn't actually look that red. And then this is what Daddy looks like. And again, this looks so much different in person than it does on the camera. On camera, sometimes it would pull more of a cool tone, and then sometimes it would pull more of like a warm chocolatey color, and a lot more deeper than this. This isn't as deep as I thought it was going to be, but both shades are absolutely beautiful. First, I'm going to go in with the shade I'm Shook. First impressions of this is I can't even feel it on my lips. I will say that now that I have it on my lips, it is pulling a little bit more red and not as pinky corally as it does look in the tube. But my goodness, it's pretty. I cannot believe how comfortable this feels on my lips. Why has it taken me so long to try this stuff? Now I'm gonna remove this and then we're gonna go in with Daddy. Now we're gonna go in with Daddy and see if this is true to color. I decided that I wanted to add a little bit of the highlight to my inner corners. And wow. I cannot stop looking at this highlight. Like, it's not glittery. It just gives a beautiful, like, wet look to the cheeks. I don't know about you guys, but that's what I look for in a highlight. Something that's not glittery, that's actually, like, wet looking. And it's giving it to me. So my final thoughts on the highlight is goals. Like, this is what I'm looking for in a highlight. This is perfect. This is perfection. And as far as the lips go, this formula is great. I can't feel it on my lips. It's not drying. It doesn't make my lips look weird. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is so smooth, not chunky, not patchy. It's perfection. This whole collection, like, I can tell you that this is not going to be my last purchase from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's just amazing. Like, I'm kicking myself in the butt right now for not ordering stuff sooner. Like, look at that highlight. Yes. And that, guys, wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below, have you guys ever tried anything from Jeffree Star Cosmetics? If you have, tell me what your favorite thing is that you ordered. Be sure to like this video if you did. It really helps out my channel. Also, hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell right next to it so you get notified anytime I upload a video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Like, look at that highlight. Just look at it. Just look at it.